Hey. Name's Curtis Hill, educator for Bullish Currency LLC. So today with what the market, um, basically I want to go over this setup I see coming on for GBP CAD. I see GBP CAD being very bullish. See, we have a daily fractal. We already took the buy. So the class took this buy, saw the sort of a head and shoulder type deal. Market pushed down, probably wicked out a whole bunch of people. We took this buy to this last low. So what I'm looking for now with GBP, with GBP CAD is a clear breakout of this channel. Let's take these fractals off. I'm looking for a clear breakout of this channel. I knew there wasn't no break because look what happened. Bearish engulfing candle. So I'm actually looking for a break of this low, break this low and break this trend line, retest it. See, and we do have another low right there. So we want, it's probably gonna, I want to see a break to come to this low, then come retest this channel so I could get in and we could take it back to the moon if this happens. If it doesn't happen, then of course we see a down trend continue coming with this this channel being here. I use channels and actual support and resistance while trading. It gives me a better edge at the market. We teach this to our students. Always look for behavior off of retest areas and pullback areas. Don't just jump in. You see what I'm saying? Like seeing a big bear candle and then a retest of the area and then another bear candle, we knew that this will continue going down. We're looking for the behavior. When the market gets to your area, you're looking for a behavior that'll let you know that it's going to continue. You're not really just jumping in. You get what I'm saying? You're looking for behavior, a double top, a triple top, a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, a bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, doji, fractals. I use my fractals a lot. You're looking for behavior before you get into a trade. And honestly, what I usually do, like, let's just say we was going in for a sell, thinking it was going to go for a lower low, which possibly can. You can really put a sell stop below all of this because I do see this bear candle letting me know that it was not trying to break this. So possibility price could continue to the downside. So the bear candle, the retest of this support, and this could be continually going down. You could possibly put sell stops right here, stop loss below this, and then take it to this pullback area and let it just activate and hit it. I like the risk to reward to that being a sell anyway, but you know, if it is a sell, then we'll catch the sell. But if it's this buy, we want to take this. And the reason why I'm biased, I'm not really too biased. I don't like to be biased on buys is because, yeah, there's a possibility it could pull back to this 173 possibility, but either option is open. But I'm looking for this move, but if it doesn't happen, we'll take the sells. So that's that for GBP CAD. Early on the week, we had a update on GU. GU hit the take profit. If you saw the last video, we're out the trade. That was the last low. You see what happened. It made a bearish engulfing, created some, what is this order block right here, created block orders for it to probably push back down. Who knows? It could give us a nice retest off of this area and push back up. So we're out of that trade. Let me take that off. That was a very easy setup. Saw the inverted head and shoulders on H4, screaming to get in. We actually took a New Zealand. We're in New Zealand right now. We're in profit. Stops are at break even at this point. I told everybody, hopefully, if you are one of my students and you're watching this video, make sure you look at those updates. I said stop loss at break even. I actually think that we closed out at this point because when I saw it pull back like that, when I saw the dollar index was being very weak, that gives me some incentives that maybe New Zealand dollar can probably retrace and come back. So always take half of, we took half right here and put stop losses at break even. So always take your profit. Our New Zealand is being stubborn right now. We're still in profit. It's being very stubborn. It might look like it's gaining a good support right there. But again, this is at break even too. We're at break even at this trade. So if it doesn't make this lower low, then hey, it is what it is. We took the UJ and we actually closed out. Once we saw it broke this area, we actually closed out. So what I'm looking for now is a pullback up here to this area where it broke. So because what I'm looking at now is, let's put the fractals on real quick. Let's go to reset the chart. So what we're looking at right now is a nice area where price wants to not reverse, but just pullback areas. Understand the pullback area. So this could pull back to this area where it broke. And then when it gets right here, we're going to sit and watch for bullish behavior. And it will take the lower low. If it doesn't, and it comes back up into this little triangle thing right here, then we're going to wait for another breakout. But I've seen I've seen setups like this before. It's probably going to make a lower low. And then looking at the Japanese, the currency index, it looks like Japan looks like it's going to be bullish. Same with Chef JPY. We actually closed out when I saw this this candle down here. We actually closed out, and we actually had stop losses at break even, but I went ahead and closed out and took the bag. Kind of over leveraged on that one, but we're out of the trade, honestly. Did I take AJ? Did not take AJ, but I do like that it broke out of this. If we can get a nice retest. Yeah, I didn't take AJ. If it's breaking out of that, I get a nice retest and we can go for another lower low. I'll figure that out tonight. EuroCAD looks like it's going to curl back up and come to retest these areas over here where it broke. Very easy trade if you took it and held it that long. We were actually in this, but I closed out. I'm not really a fan of EuroCAD, but I closed out. Did we take cash? Yeah, we did take cash. Yeah. I thought it was going to come back up, but we did take the sale, but we closed out cash, Chef. See, it broke and then it's starting to come back down. What else? I think that was all I talked about in that video. So right now, what I'm looking forward to is maybe this setup to happen. GJ is making some great support right here. Great support off this pullback area. I don't like how that last daily candle closed, but it's staying strong on this area. Staying very strong on this area. See the area? See? Always go to the line chart to let you see. See, this was a resistance. It broke it, retested a little bit, dropped. All the sharp moves. Sharp move right there, and it came back down. Sharp move, broke it. So what I'm looking for is GJ to come back and retest this area in which it broke. Let me make this big so you can see it. Quick little pullback before Japan comes back in the market and drop this thing to shreds. I realized that it was definitely downtrend, and we caught this. I think we caught that move. We caught some of it, and I just sat there and watched some of it. I already knew some of this was going to happen. I kind of sat and watched it because I was doing other stuff. But that's the move that I'm looking for tonight to happen. Gold, I ain't gonna lie, gold killed me today. I had a sale in gold and it didn't go my way. I could have closed half and put it at break even, but it's cool, Gold was kicking my butt on the sale, but it's still at this line that even though it check the area. I don't know if it closes above this trend and this support. I don't know about gold. Might be bullish, but we've been saying that because silver looks like it made a double top on a higher time frame. Market's not closed yet. Well, actually, is it 4 o'clock Eastern? Market might be closed. I don't know. No, it shouldn't be closed, but yeah, I took an L on this one. I took a big fat L on that one, so it's all good, all gravy, baby. But yeah, GJ is what I'm looking for right now. I probably missed out. Did not, because the move already happened. And okay, so it already hit TP. I thought maybe you had a double top in the drop, so let me. All right, so for GBP odd, and remember you saw the video when it came down here. This was the 50 rejection. That's why I went up. But now I'm looking for a double top because it hasn't broke this low. So maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do for GR right now. I'm gonna just play it by ear. Probably gonna wake up in the morning, the move gonna happen, which I hate when that happens. But it is what it is. USD CAD still, it's right at that trend line, but it needs to, in order for me to get back into this, I want to see it break this, retest it, but then we still got this trend that's bugging me. I want to see it break out of this trend. I really do. I could. This is telling me the US is going to be stronger eventually than CAD. CAD been goofy. Come back to retest this 126 area. I don't know, but hey, that's the market. That's what the market did today. Like I said, let me go over DXY real quick. I ain't even get to look at the DXY today. I was like glancing at it, but I mean, it was kind of, that's why gold was kicking my butt. Lost. I'm down 1R on gold. The dollar currency index in there. Yeah, so it's been bearish for the last 3 days, but I'm biased on it being bullish after this W, breaking the W, and it looks like just for a couple of weeks it's going to be retesting the neckline of the W, and then it's just going to shoot up and come to 96. You know, maybe the New Year's we might have bullish movement with the dollar, which will push gold down. But if gold breaks that area, then I'm gonna have to take some buys. Kind of figured that gold was gonna touch 1836, but I didn't think it was gonna touch it this fast. But yeah, and also with SHIB definitely still worth buying. Let's look where the weekly. What the weekly is doing for SHIB, for my SHIB holders, because you know I hold it because I got stuck. I bought it down there. So we had this big bull candle. We're just having some retracements right now. It's probably gonna come down to 45 and start pushing back up. I don't honestly. We just need more whales to come in the market. I mean, obviously this area is keeping. I thought it would have come back and push back up. This area is keeping hold down here at the 46, and I do have buy limits down there because you can trade SHIB on your broker. Well, Osprey. I can trade. Yeah, I can trade it on my Osprey account now. So we all good. So yeah, if I'm about to, I got buy limits down here for standards. SHIB pays good at a standard. So I'm trying to rack up on SHIB. So, and yeah, I think this is gonna go to $1 at least. So hopefully you guys bought down all the way down here though. When it was just sitting there making a support all day, that was just obvious price action. But that's the market for today. And I will see you guys tonight. I got a class tonight. I will see you guys at the class.